YouTube and do
Yeah, do all these things.
so hard.
No
I'm a little side.
worries. I understand. All
Okay,
right.
let's do it.
Good morning, pure structure traders and YouTube. Today is October 25th, 2021. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Give you some of the levels that we're going to be looking at. I will be going over the major levels on S&P. Wendy will be going over the minor levels, and then I'll go over gold and oil for you guys. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here and we will go ahead and get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and get started. So let's jump into S&P 500 first. Right now, got resistance up somewhere around 45, 51, 75. We'll see if we break through that level. Next levels above are going to be somewhere around these 60s, 65, and then 70 are going to be my areas up above. So we'll see if we get through these 45, 51, 75s first. If we don't, I am anticipating maybe coming right back down from that area. So we'll keep an eye out for that. Below that, 45, 41, 25, we're kind of right around these 45, 45, 25. So just going to kind of see what happens there. But again, I got a bigger level at 51.75. Support below 41.25 is going to be 45.30 for me. And then below that, 45.15.50. So we'll see if we get down to those support levels. But with that said, I am going to hand it over to Wendy. She's going to give you some of the minor levels she has here on S&P.
Oh, yes, and they are being used. Let me share my screen. See it?
Yep, I can see
Here
it.
we are. Look at this beautiful stairway to heaven. Support down here. We'll start down here and look at peak number one right here and see how beautifully it used it. Peak number two is right here. Totally disrespected it and shot up past peak number three, went up here to peak number four, but then came back down and used peak number three. All you got to do is not panic. Don't worry about this stuff in here. Do not worry about it. You just put your entry right here, right there. You don't have to go above it, below it. Just go right here near that peak area line and you're golden. So now it goes up to passes peak number four, which it needs to do up to our fifth peak. But look what happens. Goes up to our fifth peak, comes back down to three. But if you miss this, here's our peak four, right? Look at what happens. It's using it. You don't have to worry about getting in here at the top, up here. Don't panic. Don't FOMO. Stay low. Stay low and you'll make some money. Now we're at peak number five. It tried to reject it and bring it down. It failed. So I think we've got more of an up move coming, but here's our resistance. So it's going to be a challenge right here. So it could come back down at some point and use this one, peak number two, since it hasn't used it yet. I wouldn't rule that out. I'd keep it marked, locked, and loaded. But until then, we'll have to wait and see how the market handles the rejection right here, where David said. That's it for our beautiful little micro peaks. Dave, I'm going to pass it on to you for oil and gold.
Awesome work. Good job. Good job. All right. So moving over, let's go ahead and take a look at gold. So gold trying to head up into our next level. 1809.2 is my resistance up above. So we'll see. Got to get past this little bit of a micro peak here, but I think we will. So again, 1809.2 is going to be my area of resistance that I look out for as we're trying to climb into that level. For those who want to be long, that's where you're going to be trying to get long into. For those who want the short, I'll probably be looking for a short right around that area if we can't break through. Above that though, 1813.9 and then 1815.5. Those are going to be our next areas of resistance if we get back to that area. Now, for those who want support underneath these 1801.6s, next level down below, 1796.2 and then 1787.9 is going to be my next area under that. So we'll see what happens around those areas for gold. Let's move over into crude oil. So crude oil, pretty strong bearish, I mean not bearish, but bullish trend. Think we may get a little bit of a pullback though. So we'll see if we get back down into this support area, 84.76. If we do find the support right in this area for a bounce, maybe a couple rotations here could give us a nice long opportunity for the continuation of the bullish run. If not there, look for the market to either come back to these 84.26s or 83.94 as the areas of support for a continuation. We get below 83.94 though, you could see the market try to drop off a little bit deeper. Next level down below 83.12. There could be an in-between level, which is going to come right around these 83.40. So also keep an eye out for that area as well. But that wraps it up for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Let's go ahead and get ready for the open team. Thanks everybody for joining the live. We will catch you guys on Wednesday. Take care. All right, let me see if I can stop this one.